Hello guys, this is how I set the table for Christmas and what I serve my family. First thing first, I started by setting the table. And I am not a big fan of Christmas tree or Christmas light. So I use these beautiful flowers, and to light up the room, I use candles. I got this candle from this small Instagram page, and I'm telling you, the scent is amazing and it does not fade. My guests were coming in, even the smell of the food was not there. It was just the smell of the candles. So yeah, after setting my centerpiece, I started now placing my napkins, and these are like silk napkins. And then I used the pink and white. And then after that, I am going to place my spoon and fork. I don't think the food I'm going to serve, it needs, we need a knife. So we're going to use fork and spoon. And I'm using gold coated spoon and fork. And now I'm going to place some glass of wine. Because yes, we're going to have wine after that. And at this point, everything is ready. You can see how my table looks like. Just see the setting, and it's really nice. It's lovely. I love, and the smell of the candles, and they just light up the room. And this is me and my beautiful family. So I serve them lamb. This is lamb stew, and this is lamb broth. And this was fried rice with green peas, carrots, and onions. And this was chicken. Yes, chicken kienyeji, organic chicken. And now this is rice with coconut, and that is chicken broth. And then some chapatis, chapati, and yeah, that is chicken broth. And this is potatoes. And actually I had kachumbari and another stew of beef, which I had not placed on the table yet, but that was what I served my family for Christmas Day. Then after that, I served them dessert. Yes. So we had some ice cream before we started drinking. I mean, yes, we got a little bit tipsy after this. But I was like, yeah, guys, let me just serve you some dessert. And then we had ice cream. This is a mixture of strawberry and vanilla. And then now after this, we had an amazing time. After this, we actually had some wine. We had some beers. Those who don't drink, they had some Del Monte. So it was actually amazing. But now my family, they were going to spend the night in my place, because we were like, yeah, we can spend the night, let's tell stories. It's been long ever since we had a Christmas indoors. So in the morning, I served them breakfast, and I did I made these nice samosas. I'm telling you, these are the best samosa I've ever made. And I think I'm taking this with me to 2024. You can see how they look. And some bacon on the side. Actually, not all my guests were a fan of pork. So some had bacon and some did not. And then after having bacon, I served them with the leftover of the chapatis. Yes, you see, they still look good. If you've not seen how I make my chapati video, go back to my video. And some house coffee. And this is our day today. If we're still going on and on, then I will come and show you what I serve them for lunch and maybe dinner. And I hope they stay long.